This video is in no way directed to anybody. This is me voicing my opinion and voicing my amendment rights to freedom of speech. I'm not directing this at anybody. This is not for anybody. This is me expressing my feelings. Freedom of speech, that's it. I'm not directing any of this to anybody. Thank you. Share this video, like this video, make this video go viral, make all of them go viral. Subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting things daily if I can. A lot of things are going on so quick that I'm trying to do as much recording as I can just to try to get a lot of this stuff recorded so that people can know what the hell's going on. The system is corrupt. I've been a victim of it. My children have been a victim of it. They're being vindictively and selectively pursued by the Snohomish County Prosecutor's Office, as well as the Snohomish County Sheriff's Department and Major Crimes Unit detectives. These people are doing illegal things. They're using their credentials and their experience against me in an attempt to have me put in jail and taken away from my children, made out to be something that I'm not. I pray for everybody that's going through this stuff. Please pray for me and my children that we make it out of this stuff safe, and that justice be due where it is due. You know, I plan on pursuing lawsuits, but that isn't anything. That doesn't hold Jessica criminally liable for her false accusations and the stalking and the harassment that has continued for the last 2 years, where she has stalked me through my cell phone, that I was unknowing of our phones being connected through our previous iPhone account or Apple account. You know, these are things that I found out through the process of the investigation that was going on against me, but then to find everything that she was doing in pursuit of stalking me and finding out what I was doing, and just the craziness that's going on. The people that she's had friend request me on Facebook to just try to still know what the fuck I'm doing all the time. It's really concerning, and it really makes me sick that I've been dealt with like I have been. I pursued anti-harassment orders against Jessica before any of this criminal shit was even thought of, because it wasn't true. It was all fucking bullshit, false allegations that she fabricated. She's running from debt that she acquired after, you know, she was asked to leave. You know, she tried using this domestic violence bullshit as a way to get out of paying for breaking a contract and a lease at the house which we were supposed to be buying, and she illegally did so. You know, unfortunately my landlord didn't have a lot of choice in the matter, but the lawsuit against him as well as her will show the clear choice they had. You can't really say somebody is a victim of domestic violence until you've proven that the accuser is proven guilty, which I have maintained my innocence because I was not guilty ever. Jessica's a lying fucking cunt bitch that deserves to go to jail. Sorry for my language, sorry for the negativity through a lot of my videos. I hope that I can be a little bit more positive for people that are watching these videos. Anybody that's looking to these videos for advice, I don't have a lot of advice for you at this point other than never give up. Pray. If you know you haven't done anything wrong, fight it. But if you have done shit wrong, admit to your wrongs. I have no problem saying that I had faults through my relationship, but to admit to being some domestic abuser, that'll never fucking happen, because it never fucking happened. You know, death before dishonor. I will never fucking say I did something that I didn't. I will take it to the fucking box. You best believe that. Thank you again, everybody that's supporting me. Pray for me. Pray for the kids. So, Snohomish County prosecutors have filed these false allegations against me again. I've been all over the prosecutor's office for providing a case number associated with these false allegations they're continuing to accuse me of. They just filed yesterday and appointed a case number to these false allegations that they're still proceeding with. I guess they kind of have to. They've put it in too many court orders as far as, continuing BS, so they had to pursue it, though they've done so without, they've done so illegally. They're going above and beyond their call to duty as far as what they are legally bound to do by their contracts with the state, their state bar association, due process, things that these attorneys are just not caring about. And the fact that they're held to things just as much as I'm held to things, it's really concerning to see what these prosecutors are getting away with, as well as the illegal things that they're doing and being supported and backed on by the district attorneys and such. Snohomish County is corrupt. Pursuing me as somebody that's stalking my ex-fiance and violating no contact orders, you guys are fucking stupid and out your mind beyond and above. You have no evidence. You never have had evidence. You're fabricating hearsay to make probable cause. You guys are such liars. You're pieces of shit, trying to look at a piece of paper and think you know who I am based off of things that I have done wrong in my life. You can fuck off. I've pled guilty where I've been guilty. I've lost one trial due to ineffective assistance of counsel. My very first trial, just to say. And that was with Emily Hancock and Jennifer Rancourt. Prosecutor was Robert Grant. Yeah, and I fucking see you. You're a piece of shit too, and you should be fucking banned from the bar, dude. All of you attorneys that just fucking think you can just do whatever you fucking want because you're a lawyer and you have a degree in law, that's so beyond and above wrong, it's not even funny. But we'll see. These are all filed Superior Court now, and that's okay. You decided to dismiss the district court, which is fine, whatever. You've wasted state taxpayers' money for over a year pursuing charges through South District, and then you're just going to dismiss them after everything through those investigations were done and completed, ready for trial, and then you want to dismiss it and reopen in Superior Court to waste more of my time and waste more of my attorney's time, waste more of our state taxpayers' dollars? It's beyond unacceptable what is going on in Snohomish County with the prosecutor, the district attorney, any of these people that have no sense of authority for their position of what they're doing illegal. These judges that are illegally granting physical possession of shared property, that's illegal. These judges that are granting probable cause warrants off of fabricated hearsay, that is illegal. Okay, I've turned myself in, I've bailed the fuck out, I've won every single fucking trial. What are you gonna do? And likely the judges that are gonna be involved in my hearing coming up on the 21st, gonna likely try to impose some sort of a fucking bail based off of these fucking piece of shit prosecutors that are continuing to selectively and vindictively pursue me through fabricated probable cause. You have no evidence. You never did have evidence. You're fabricating evidence out of hearsay. And if it hasn't been apparent now that Jessica Barrett has been using this system, then you guys are beyond stupid. And your law degrees and your education mean nothing. Your investigative backgrounds mean nothing. Your credentials mean nothing when you blatantly ignore the obvious and pursue criminal charges against a hardworking, loving father that has done nothing from the beginning other than try to report this woman for the abuse that she had committed against my children and myself. Fuck being a victim. You're no victim to be. You guys are beyond wrong in your false accusations of trying to say that I am some drug addict, fucking woman-beaten, POS, whatever. Go fuck yourself. I've proved you wrong 5 out of 7 times now, and I plan on proving you wrong out of these other 2 charges that are just bogus. You guys got nothing. You guys are fucking You guys are fucking pieces of shit. That's all. That's what it is. You're fucking pieces of shit. Devil's advocates, that's what you are. You're not fucking prosecutors. You're not nothing but devil's advocates. You guys want violence. You guys want to promote, you know, domestic violence. I don't want this woman in my life. I don't want to ever have to look at her again. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to going through these trials. And you know what? Whatever. It fucking sucks. Wasting state taxpayers' dollars. And guess what? I'm a state taxpayer. So you're wasting my money as well as everybody else's fucking money. You know, there will be lawsuits filed against Jessica for her abuse of this judicial system, false allegations, defamation of character, so on and so forth. You know, when you have the state helping you in your civil cases, it's whatever. You think it may benefit you, but it really doesn't, and nor does it benefit the state in any way to take personal agendas like this on and give a clear bias in it all. So you guys have benefited me more than anything by doing the things you have done, and it'll actually seal, you know, federal lawsuit cases as well. You guys are fucking wrong. You always have been. You always will be. You got nothing on me because you fabricated everything that you thought you had on me, and you still have nothing on me. But you're gonna be mad at me because I filed civil parenting plans in order to be in my son's life? Go fuck yourself. Pissed off because I want to be in my son's life? Fuck Jessica Barrett. She's a fucking piece of shit. Pretty blessed with some of the rights that I have here in Washington State. Come to find out that a lot of other fathers aren't as fortunate in other states as I am to be able to fight for my children. But I'll never stop fighting. I will never stop fighting. Doesn't matter if I'm being required to have money. I will be fighting beyond and above, even without money. I shouldn't have to pay the state to see my son. If my son needs money, I will more than willingly give my son money, give my ex-fiance child support if that's what needs to be. I've tried filing for child support because if I am paying child support, I have a right to be in my son's life. But because these court orders are requiring me to have money in order to be in my son's life, to pursue domestic violence classes and keep their Ponzi scheme pyramid system going, it's not happening. You're not gonna fucking order me to have money. If you want me to do something, the state has to pay for it themselves. You know, it's not a matter of me needing to provide that shit for you when you are requiring it. So you can fuck off some more, pay for your own fucking shit, and I'll see my son eventually. Thank you for everybody for your support. Fuck you that don't support me. I don't give a fuck what you think. Never have, never will. I'll win my cases every time. So thank you, God, for giving me the attorney that I have and seeing through all the bullshit that has been seen through. I pray for anybody that's going through the same shit that I'm going through. And all I can say is that vengeance is God's. Don't take things into your own hands. It'll never benefit you. The only thing that I can take in my hands is my rights to be in my son's life, and that's all I want, is to be in my son's life. I don't want to be in Jessica's life, and I do regret ever being in her life. Unfortunately, I do have a child with this piece of shit woman. But I will no longer be a victim to your intimidation and your bullying through your false accusations and using and manipulating the domestic violence system to try to put me in jail and take me from my children. You're a fucking piece of shit. This video is in no way directed to anybody. This is me voicing my opinion and voicing my amendment rights to freedom of speech. I'm not directing this at anybody. This is not for anybody. This is me expressing my feelings. Freedom of speech, that's it. I'm not directing any of this to anybody. Thank you.